too many people are following passion and being really massively underpaid. These extraordinary people have transformational gifts that could change the world, but they don't know how to get it out, and they don't know how to get paid for it.
Because we all think we've got to put this shiny, perfect front on, and you don't, I think people do prefer it if you are more human. I've made mistakes, I could have done this, I should have done that. But we are human, and that's what we all do.
It's almost like a dream coming true, because I wanted to shine a light on this in my area of the world. I never would have imagined in a million years that I would do this, but I had to start somewhere, right? I had to be in it and get that feeling that Sid promises that's there, that feeling of it's okay, no matter what. We're okay. It's only this that's telling us we're not. We are okay. It's really important that it gets out into the world, because there's so many people struggling and suffering, and, just that feeling of it. And Jacqueline kind of helping push all of us along to see, I did it. You can do it too.
And then I really want to monetize it. I'm not going to be shy about saying that, because so many of us didn't get, I was in that boat too, don't get paid, do coaching call after coaching call for free, turn up for free, do all of this stuff. But actually, people learn more from our mistakes, even though I don't see them as mistakes, but they learn more from what went wrong than what went right, because it helps people to see, oh, it doesn't have to be perfect to start with, like as if we think that's crazy anyway. And also what to do about it.
You're literally activating all these people, all of us, to go out and make a difference in the whole world.
There are hundreds of people who are amazing. There are hundreds of Louises and Sharons and Stuarts and Wendy's and Wendy, two Wendy's, and all of these people. There are hundreds of them. I'm going to activate them, because all that has to happen is they need the activating agent to feel that they can. I want to activate 1,000 people before I retire. And I'm already well on my way with you guys.
What I've seen is everything is just play. That's really the biggest thing that I've seen. It's all just made up. Really, honestly, we are making it up as we go along. And then we have a thought that says, oh no, you can't do that. And then you're like, but I'm going to do it anyway.